Hi all, welcome to Nine Investment Ideas. The stock pick of the week is Ultratech Cements Limited. The holding time of the stock is 3 months to 1 year. Let's look about the company. Ultratech Cements Limited is the cement flagship company of the Aditya Birla Group. It is a USD 5.9 billion building solutions powerhouse. Ultratech is the largest manufacturer of grey cement, ready-mix concrete and white cement in India. It is the third largest cement producer in the world, excluding China. UltraTech is the only cement company globally to have 100 plus MTPA of cement manufacturing capacity in a single country. The company's business operations span UAE, Bahrain, Sri Lanka, and India. UltraTech has 22 integrated manufacturing units, 27 grinding units, and 130 ready-mix concrete plants. It has a network of over 1 lakh channel partners across the country and has a market reach of more than 80% across India. That's a very huge share. It offers an array of scientifically engineered products to cater the new age constructions. Pioneered the UltraTech building solutions concept to provide individual home builders with a one-stop solution for building their homes. Adopted new age tools like science-based target initiative, internal carbon price and energy productivity, and thereby reduce carbon footprint over the life cycle. The company is known for its quality excellence. Let's look at the key performance indicators of the company. The market capital stands at 2,16,211 crores currently, and it is a large cap company, and the market capital has grown at a rate of 12% in the last 5 years. That is a good growth. The face value of the company is 10 and the dividend yield of the company is 0.49 and the promoter holding for the company is 59.96%, which is good. The earnings per share for the company is 189.4. It has increased at a rate of 18% in the last 5 years. Let's look at some of key performance indicators of the company. The return on equity is 16.4 and it has increased at a rate of 6% in the last 5 years. The net revenue is 44,726 crores and it has been increasing at a rate of 12% in the last 5 years. That is a good increase. The net profit is 5,463 crores, which is 12% of the revenue, and this has been increasing at a rate of 19% in the last 5 years. The net profit growth is higher than the net revenue growth, which is a very positive sign for the company. The net worth of the company is 44,180 crores, and the debt to equity is 0.4. The chairman of the company is Kumar Mangalam Birla. He was awarded Global Asian Award by the Asia Business Leadership Forum. The company was founded in the year 1983. The headquarters of the company is at Mumbai. There are 33,000 plus dealers for the company and 74,000 plus retailers and 2,500 plus stores for the company. 22,000 plus employees work at Ultratech. Let's look at the key highlights of the company. 6% carbon emission reduction has been achieved so far, and the company is working towards a target of 27% by 2032. The company continues to be greater than 2 times plastic positive by using alternative fuels and alternative raw materials. The company scored 71% higher than the industry average on the Dow Jones Sustainability Index, and the company retained their CDP score for climate as the highest in the Indian cement sector. The company achieved the lowest ever lost time injury frequency rate of 0.14 with reduction by 37% compared to the previous financial year. That is an amazing point for the company. And the company has done successful pilots leveraging digital and artificial intelligence across the manufacturing value chain. The company has been awarded Apex India Quality Excellence Award in the year 2020 by the Apex India Foundation. Let's look at the graph of the key performance indicators. The company has provided consistent growth over the last 5 years. The net revenue has been increasing in the last 5 years and it is kind of stable in the last 3 years. The PAT has been increasing in the last 5 years and market capitalization has witnessed a tremendous increase in the recent financial year. That is a very good sign for the company. and the ROE also has been increasing in the last 5 years, and the company's production also has been increasing in the last 5 years, and it is kind of stable in the last 3 years. The sales volume is also kind of stable in the last 3 years, and the net debt to equity has been decreasing consistently in the last 5 years. Let's look at the important recent news for the company. The company has reported a really exciting news. It has reported a 114% jump in PAT and 54% increase in their revenue in Q1 FY 2022, which is a great news for the company. This news has been released just 3 days back, and let's look at some of the other news that got released for the company. The company prepaid their long-term loans amounting to 5,000 crore, and the company also expects expansion program to complete by FY 23 end. And the outlook for cement companies overall remains very strong. This news also has been published very recently, 2 days back. Let's look at the stock returns of the company versus Sensex. The stock has been consistently providing excellent returns in the last 10 years, and it has been outperforming Sensex as well. In the last 10 years, the stock has increased 646%. In the last 5 years, the stock has increased by 105%, and in the last 1 year alone, the stock has increased by 95%, and in the last 3 months also, the stock has increased by 23%. So the stock has been giving good returns consistently, both in the short term as well as in the medium term. Let's look at the weekly candlestick chart. The stock is currently trading closer to its support, and there is a morning star candlestick pattern as well as the support. There is a Bollinger Band breakout for the stock coupled with above average volume. There is also a positive MACD crossover. One can enter at current levels anywhere between 7,400 to 7,550, and can have a target of 9,965, which is around 33% up from the current levels. One can place their stop loss anywhere between 6,905 to 7,190 based on their entry price and their interest rating ability. The risk to reward ratio stands at 4.2, that is good. About 3 is good. So here are the points for the technical analysis. There is a Bollinger Band breakout with above average volume, strong recovery from support with a Morningstar bullish candlestick pattern, MACD positive crossover in weekly and bullish in the monthly trend frame. RSI is strong at 71. The sell strategy could be we can sell at the target or at the breakdown from the support line. The current price is 7,490.3. This is the analysis of the stock I made. Hope you liked my video. If you liked the video, hit the like button, and if you wish to have more videos from me, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.